Welcome to this Arnall-Culliford Knitwear tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to work the 1:5 increase that's used at the start of the closed loops in Lucy Hague's Pleione Cowl. This is one of the patterns from our new book, Something New to Learn About Cables. All the best cable tips in a really easy to follow format. This cowl is made from a series of hexagons, worked from the centre outwards. And the cables form a closed loop motif. They start from an increase at this point here, and you then work out, and then the ends of the cable are joined at the top here with a 5:1 decrease. But I'm going to start by showing you how to do the 1:5 increase. We've been working in reverse stocking stitch, so we've been purling our way along the row, and I'm now ready to work the 1:5 increase. So I've taken the yarn to the back of the work, and I'm going to insert my right hand needle between the first and second stitches on the left hand needle. I wrap the yarn round as after knit and pull a loop through. So I now have one new stitch on my right needle and the original stitch on my left needle. I'm going to slip the stitch from my left needle onto my right needle, and now my left needle is going to go between the first two stitches on the right needle. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the left needle and pull a loop through with the left needle. So I've now got a new stitch on the right needle, a new stitch on the left needle, and that original stitch is there on the right needle. The original stitch moves back to the left needle, and I'm going to repeat that series again. So between the first two stitches on the left needle, wrap the yarn round and pull a loop through, slip it back to the right needle, and put the left needle between those two stitches and pull a loop through. So you can now see that we've got two new stitches on the right needle, two new stitches on the left needle, and that one at the top there is the original stitch. I'm now going to slip the two new stitches from the left needle onto the right needle, and we have successfully turned one stitch into 5. We bring the yarn to the front and carry on purling across the row. Here's our 1:5 increase again, and as we work the subsequent rows over this, 2 knit stitches on each side will become those cable strands, and as they are cabled away from each other, the increase will open up and lie almost flat. So once again, this is how it'll look once those stitches have been worked away from each other. The single stitch in the middle becomes part of the background. I hope now you're feeling really confident about tackling the 1:5 increase in the Pleione Cowl. If you'd like to know more about Something New to Learn About Cables, please visit our website acknitwear.co.uk, because there's always something new to learn.